The Don Pedrito Jaramillo Shrine, dedicated to the South Texas healer, is located in a desolate South Texas ranch area near Los Olmos, Texas. It is outside of the town limits, land untouched by technology. For this reason, it is a quiet calm that immediately creates a stillness that provides an instant cure for the hustle and bustle of endless worry and anxiety. The gentle rush of the mesquite trees through the open windows brings the soul back home. It's as if Don Pedrito himself was waiting for you on the porch on his wooden rocking chair. Who said a cure was found in a bottle? Not he. Potato sacks and tubs were common antidotes for the healer. He himself was cured while he was involved in a horrific accident that left him mutilated in the desolate woods. To find out more about how he was healed and became a healer, read the rest of his story here at www.truthtexas.com. TruthTexas.com is bringing you all the news from around Texas in one place. It's news for you, news for Texans, by Texans. www.truthtexas.com.